Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create Instagram stories for your products, for your clients, and as well as for you. So a few days ago one of my friends just opened his new pizza shop. So he asked me, can you make like Instagram story for me? I want to promote my products, or I just want to give discount to my new customers. So I said like yes, why should I say no? So I made this like really cool looking story for him, and I didn't charge him, but by the way he gave me pizza though. It was quite tasty. So if you live in my city, so you can go and visit his place. So let's go and let's make this from the scratch. So for that we have to go into search and Instagram story. I think for the Facebook the resolution will be same. I think it is 16:9. So let's create a blank screen, and let's go in the elements, and I think I'm gonna start with backgrounds, and let's search for black. So I chose this one. If you want you can choose anything, but I think I'm gonna go with this one, or let's go with this one. I think this looks like kind of marble. So let's go with this one as well. Let's search in the papers, because we want to give that paper kind of vibe over here. So in graphics we have paper, and as well as we have papers in frames also. So if I use this graphics, as you can see we didn't get option to change the color, but you can go to edit image and you can apply the photogenic filter. Where it is, let me find. Okay, you can apply this photogenic filter and it will give you some colors, some fade colors and some basic colors. But if you choose frame, let me just adjust it over like this. So let's go to frames, and if you choose like paper cutout like this one, let's assume we chose this one. I think I'm gonna rotate this like this. Now what we can do is that we can just add a simple paper color over here, like orange, and we can just drag it like this inside this, so we get the same effect. Because his pizza shop theme is like kind of vibrant, like yellow and orange, so that's why I chose this color. If your client has different color, or if your product had that kind of color, you can choose that as well. So okay, so what we can do right now is we can add some images of pizza, because we are promoting pizza. Okay, so we have lots of option over here, and for this I'm gonna go with this one, I think, because it looks really delicious. I think he also has this same kind of pizza in his shop. First what we can do is that we can add all the images, then we can add text. So it will be like really helpful, and the process will be like smooth. I think I'm gonna add the pizza sketch. I think it is in the graphics. So this one, as well as okay, there was this one. So we can change the color of it, because I want it into white, and because we already have that marble effect, so it will go with that as well. So send it backwards. So it is my creative choice, that's why I chose this one. So if you want you can choose different one as well. After that I want to show some images over here like this, some ingredients as well, like onion, mushrooms, tomatoes, and the garlic, so that kind of things. Okay, so those are all the images I wanted to add in this graphics. After that what we can do is that I think we are done with the images, so let's go with text. So I think the offer is kind of like 50% off. So what we can do is that we can say like half full pizza in half price like this. Let me change the color. Okay, so like this, full pizza in half price. So as you can see the font is not going with this graphics. So, and he already told me like he uses like this kind of font, like this Barba Semi something. So I'm gonna choose this one, and let's add effect. That is gonna be lift, because it is like blending too much with our design, and I think I will decrease the transparency of this graphic as well. Okay, so this is gonna be our design. I think we are 90% done. We just have to add some like text, like 50% discount or something, order right now, something like that. So I think I have that symbol over here like this one. So let me change the color of it. I'm gonna go with this one, this color. Okay, let's change the font. I guess I'm gonna go with Poppins, because it is my favorite font. So now let's add a tag. On that we can write like order now, and viewer can swipe up to order. So let's go to element again, and this is gonna be our tag like this. Let me increase this one. Let me zoom in so I can align it properly on this box at the center. Okay, so this is our final design. So if you want, you can add the name of that restaurant or that shop, like I don't want to release shop name, so that's why I'm not adding that. But if you want, you can add that, and you can add some arrows like for swiping up. I know Instagram comes with the swipe up button, but if you want to add, you can add that. Okay, so this is our final design. Let's say you want to keep this as a preset. So what you can do is that you can just duplicate this page, and you can just replace this image with something else. Like if you want to add some more pizzas, like 5 to 4 pizza in one images, you can also do that by deleting these images and by adding some other text. And the template will be same, like this vegetables and the orange color or yellow color, and you can just replace all the things. So this will be your template. So let's say if I delete this one, and we can just group them together, and we can place it downward like this, and you can add images of the pizza over here. Let me search pizza again. So that's how we can use this preset, and we can change the text over here. Like if you want to give this same offer on that, so you can keep as it is. Let's say there is a sale, something going on, you can say like 60% off, or buy one get one free, like that. So that's how you can make lots of Instagram stories from one presets. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.